Hi, friends. How are we doing? And we're ready just to jump right in to games because I just want to play games. That's all I want to do. But I wanted to kind of giggle about what our lot looks like right now compared to everything else in here. We are making Santa's workshop. We're gonna do like a kitchen and maybe like a few tables and stuff in here. And then this will be a bathroom. And I'm actually going to delete these walls because then we can make the bathroom bigger. It's important to have more showers, more toilets. Maybe more toilets? I think more toilets would be more beneficial to what we need. Obviously, this whole entire building inside is very Christmas. Ooh, that's cool. We'll just hang towels on the wall here. A bit of a trash can. Complete enough. Let's look at their kitchen. I feel like we should make this almost winter wonderland sparkly. So we'll do lots of blues and, you know, glitter and stuff like that. Yeah, blue fridges we do. We need a blue fridge. There we go. So we just need a stove. Why can't I put you lower? That's just where you have to go. We rarely get to use range hoods like that. Let's take advantage of the height that we're going all out with this blue and sparkly theme in here. I think we're only going to be able to fit 2 in here. We're going to be able to see 12. And we have 18. I think let's do round tables. Wait, these are like sequinly sparkly tables like Christmas lights and stuff. Are we gonna be able to make these fit in here? Can they be smaller? I'm still not gonna be able to fit them all. I mean, just visually, it just needs to work. All right, that fits everybody. Thinking it's gonna be these little circles. That's kind of cool. Yeah. Now, just any kind of wall decor. We're just gonna type in snow. I just like the sparkliness. Oh yeah, we'll just do giants. There we go. I think that might be it for that. We're in here. I'm wondering if we could do like a candy cane wall. I'm just really trying to make it fun and gaudy. And then let's look for a rug. I think that would be it there. All right, are we happy with said elf house? Cute, not deprived. Good. They need a little chimney as well. Okay, there's the elf's house. They go outside, they walk up the stairs, a little stepping stone there. They come inside. Now here's the question is we have this big old double door here, but the tree kind of partly blocks it. Is that okay? Do the doors open outwards? I kind of like the idea of keeping that tree there. Let's do this little baby bathroom and we're gonna make it very festive. So let's do red tile. And then for the wall, let's go white for our toilet. We'll do a little white pedestal sink mirror, but white. I want like the little towel thingies. You know, what are they called? We have to put these like everywhere. We could put these in their room. Yeah. Let's go into seasons holiday in decoration. I'm so excited. I'm not even that huge of a Christmas fan, but man, is this fun. It's the teeniest, tiniest little thing of presents I've ever seen. I like those etchings on there. I like Ireland. We said in here what we were gonna do is we were gonna have some couches. I'm just going in full on decorations. Let's do some couches before we get too into this. We're gonna want to do some red couches. Do we have to look any further? Because I don't think so. It's got to be something plaid. Let's break up some of the plaid with some solid. Maybe we'll put like our coffee, our hot chocolate station right over here. Yeah, I don't think we need these ottomans, as cute as they are. Wouldn't it be funny if Santa was just like yellows and, you know, just not holiday colors up in his room? Been around for any amount of time, you know I hate the size of end tables in this. Does that look okay? We're like the 2 green couches, 2 red couches. Or do we do all green couches? Because we have lots of red down here. Let's do all green couches. Oh, we did lose our stairs. I was like, this would be the perfect spot for the coffee or hot chocolate station. This will be the hot chocolate station over here. I hate stairs. I don't like them, guys. Not at all. It was a pain in the butt, and now it's going to be even worse. There we go. Okay, we're going to do one thing there, and then we're going to do a round table and some chairs over by the Christmas tree. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I want there to be 18 spots. That way they can all enjoy the morning together. What do we think of that layout? What are we going to do with this little space right here? Was that where like the head elf works? In Santa's office. And then in here, executive Santa office. Good old paneling. Yeah, executive Santa. And then our hot chocolate bar, do you think we should just do like kitchen counters and then put just coffee makers on all of them? Do these nice waterfall. I don't think they have like a hot chocolate specific thing, right? Oh, here's the hot chocolate kit, mug station, hot chocolate. I'll always do a tea and hot drink stall. Okay, speaking of it, one more thing right here. There we go. Now that way there's some clutter going on. Really jack that up by doing that. That's good. There's their hot chocolate bar. We come in here. We need a nice desk right here. Either that or it's like a lawyer desk and he's, no. Here's what we're gonna do. Santa use a keyboard. Does Santa use a computer or a typewriter? That would be hilarious. If you have like, unorganized documents, I feel like he would have on here, along with some other documents. Maybe that's like his lists, his filing system. And then do we have like a chair over here in case like an elf gets in trouble, or if Mrs. Claus needs to come and hang out with him? And then let's look at all of our decorations from Season's Lump of Coal. We need that's his like gentle reminder where he came from. We'll give him some curtains in here. A gentle reminder of Konkani in the head reminding you to be good. Maybe these are like in the bathroom. I don't know why they would be, but I have a lot of nutcrackers. Maybe like the wreath that has all of the craziness, all the sparklies. Then we can go in game to actually decorate the house versus like trying to make this work. All right, what else do we need on the front porch? I'm gonna fill this full of nutcrackers. Of course they don't fit on the shelf. That would be too easy. Oh, they're like extra tall too. Make them smaller. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's a big dude. Pain in the butt. Oh my gosh. I don't know why you're stuck back there, but whatever. Is this cool just doing like all these gingerbread men or nutcrackers? Because this is gonna take me forever. So if it's lame, I don't want to do it. Where'd you go? Am I gonna have random guys just floating around somewhere? Just disappeared. Little sprigs here and there. Does it just not shrink? Doesn't shrink. Okay. I'm trying to think of what else I could find. Put up there because I was just having a hard time with that top shelf. Ooh, I thought I saw other color. Are they floating above? That guy is, but you know what? At this point, you're not gonna know unless you are here, okay? It looks a little communist-y. So there's that. And stuff on shelves is the worst thing in the world. It's close enough on the shelf, right? No, it's so floating. Whatever, good enough. What do we think of the shelves? We're gonna also get some lighting going on here. We have these candles. I think these might be good enough. Like, is that scary to have candles like that? Do this. Let's do that instead. Even though I just spent all that time putting holly on every single one of those shelves. Who cares that it's a fire hazard? Do we care? Is it that important that it's a fire hazard? Because these are like cute candles and I just want ambiance. I have ambiance on the brain. I mean, we'll just tell them they're magical candles, okay? Spirit of Christmas or something like that. Hey, that looks really cute. House inspectors. Santa is his house inspector. That makes me happy. Except that they're like floating way out into oblivion. There we go. It's fine. Yeah, the whole house is fireproof. Okay, do we want to get to like a gaudy point of decorations or classy? Because like we can do garland around the whole entire top if we wanted to. And I'm just saying that I think we should. Just throwing it out there. I think we should, we should make it look good, but to the nines with decorations. Like garland all around. Make some eggnog. Okay. Why not? We haven't even done Anna's house upstairs yet. Do they have mistletoe in here? Because I'm gonna be sad if they don't. All right, so these are menorah. This would be really pretty actually. There. I want to make this a fun work environment. We're not gonna ever see that, but that's okay. Do we have plenty of trees out there. Do we need a tree in here? I don't think we necessarily do a tree in here. We have like the tiniest tissue paper garland. Do need some of these little hand handcrafted signs though everywhere. I love these tree ones. What do they look like when they're bigger? They look even cuter. I don't like these paper lanterns. Get in my way. Maybe Santa has this in his office. Show off some of his favorite letters he's gotten. Keep him motivated. What are we putting by the front door? I think we should put a big one of these guys on either side. All right, I think it's time now to start like just completely, it's magical. Let's figure out our lights real quick. I don't think, maybe we'll put like wall sconces real quick in here. There we go. Cause I don't want to do like a ton of light because I wanted that to be about the Christmas tree for lights. Okay. We're getting there. All right, have a great night, guys. I will see you on a Monday night. Be back here because we're gonna actually probably maybe go upstairs and work on Santa's house, but we're probably still just gonna decorate the basement or the main floor the whole entire time. So have a great night. Love your faces. I'll see you on Monday.